without the suppressor. Now with the suppressor. Hey guys, how you doing? Just thought I'd show you something I just got put together today. The rifle is a Hammerly Bforce One. It's the straight pull. Pull back and push forward. It takes the Ruger 1022 magazines, and the mag well is extra wide because you can do this in 22 or 22 mag. I actually have the 22 mag version upstairs. They come with two of these little spacers that pop on and off your regular 1022 magazines that take up the extra space, so it works in the bigger mag well. One of the major features of this rifle is the quick change barrel system. So with the action open, you pull back on this coupling right here and the barrel pulls right off. And then I can throw the 22 mag barrel in the same frame, same setup, same receiver. And then to put it back in, you just pull back on the coupler. It's like a quick connect for an air hose, if you know what that is. So then you just pop her back in, she's ready to go. So it also has an adjustable stock, which is pretty cool. You can adjust the comb height and the butt, or the length of pull. So there's a button back yonder. You push on it and it goes out or in depending on what length of pull you need. And for comb height, you flip this and it gets shorter. I have it on the higher, I guess you'd call it setting, I don't know, but I have it on the higher one because the scope sets a little high, so it helps me line up with it better. And then today I acquired my first suppressor. The reason I bought this particular suppressor is because it was on sale and it was cheap. It was $219 or something like that. It was under $220 before tax. A local shop, local to me shop, Vance Outdoors in Hebron, Ohio, off of Buckeye Lake. They had it on sale, so I ran in and got it. It's a JK Armament, and it's their 105 Versa series. It's completely modular, so you can make it longer and shorter by taking out baffles, depending on what you want to do with it. So you can remove the baffle, put the end cap on this baffle, and that's a baffle shorter. This company also allows you to send the suppressor back to them, and for a nominal fee, they will add baffles and make it longer. That's what I intend to do. I'm going to send it back and have it made longer just so it's more effective. This is a Taurus TX 22. I'm eventually going to FRT it. Right now it's not. But as far as pistol rifle comparison, on the pistol it's a little louder than it is on the rifle. It's still neighborhood quiet, I would call it, if that makes sense. As in, you can shoot it in your neighborhood and your neighbors won't know. Or you can, as long as you got a safe backstop in the house, you can shoot it in the house and it's not going to ring your ears. Honestly, that's about it. I put this old Vortex I had laying around on it just because it was here and I didn't have to go get one. The trigger pack, that's another interesting thing about this rifle. The trigger pack is the same as the Ruger stock trigger pack. So you can put a BX22 trigger in it, or the Querstein, I don't know how to say it right, but you can put one of those in it. Anything that takes a Ruger 1022 trigger pack, you can put in here, which is pretty cool. So anyway, that's all I got for now. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them. On both the rifle and the pistol, they're hearing safe. It don't ring your ears at all. Other than that, yeah, it's pretty slick setup. The way this bolt works, there's absolutely no like floating bolt head like you have on a lot of your other bolt actions or semi-autos, either one. They're a little rattly. This thing locks up tight. I mean, it makes no noise. So really, all you hear is the firing pin drop, and then the thump, I guess I would call it. Not really a pop, kind of a different sound, a different tone. But yeah, so that's it. That's my 22 suppressed setup. I'm gonna hunt squirrels with it this fall. Thanks. Okay, so I will give you a full breakdown of what everything is and stuff like that in the bio.